Hey everyone, I'm Ethan Frelly from Beltran Properties Group at eXp Realty. I'm in front of our brand new listing, 11810 Southwest Barber Street in Wilsonville, Oregon. I just wanted to take you on a quick peek. We're gonna be live really soon. Okay, walking in, here's the entryway foyer. Open up to the kitchen here. Use my elbow to close the door there because we're doing no touch there. Opens up to this beautiful kitchen, huge slab island there, and very open dining, tons of windows, gas fireplace in your family living room. Do one sweep here. I want to go from the corners here so you can see. So much light coming in through here. So just as a recap, we are 11810 Barber Street in Wilsonville, Villebois neighborhood. All this light coming in. Then you also do have access here to a side yard. Take a peek out in a second. Great little area to have a picnic. Gas appliances, stainless steel, slab counters, tons of light coming through. And then we have closet, garage, and a really nice powder room off the main. Okay, let's head upstairs. Okay, coming up the stairs here, got this awesome paneling here on the wall, really gives some cool depth. So as we come up here, got a linen closet, 2 bedrooms, swings around to a laundry, 2nd bathroom, and then 2 more bedrooms. And then of course here's all this light coming in. It's a very cloudy day today, so it gives a good representation. So let's just go straight through and see the master here. Has a really awesome grand entrance feel, and you have your separate walk-in closet right off on the side. Great size in there. All this light flowing in. So here's the master. Really cool vaulted ceiling with built-in ceiling fans. I'm gonna put my back to the corner here so you can see how much light is just flowing in, and it's super cloudy outside. Okay, view outside the front, got the green space directly below. And then a quick peek into the master bath. Again, here's actually a better view of your view outside. But quickly, awesome soak tub, really high vanity, 2 sinks, and then the commode and shower area. All right. So this is 4 bedrooms on the top. Here's the first of the 3 others. Very spacious, good sized closets. Really quiet on this corner here. Side yard view. Across the way is the laundry. We have it set up as stackable. Lots of space. Tons of space in here. Then we have guest bath on the top floor. Glass shower doors. And then the back 2 bedrooms. which again have tons of light coming in because of these big windows. So quiet you can hear tick-tock of the clock. Okay, and of course the fourth and last bedroom. Okay, and back downstairs. Okay, here we have the backyard. Excuse me, gotta let it go there. Little water feature here, hang out. Such a beautiful noise there. And then got another hangout area as well. So the owners here have it really set up as a cool little hangout area in general. Okay, here we have the front of the house. It is a corner lot, so it gets a ton of light. Even though it's a corner lot though, it has a huge setback, and when I do a turnaround you'll see, first of all, here's just the side. I have a cool video on the side of the house too. And you have this amazing sidewalk, but then look at this giant setback. There you have it. There's the house right behind me. 11810 Southwest Barber in Wilsonville, Oregon. Thank you so much for watching my video here. We are doing no-touch video tours, as well as we can also schedule a private tour. We have cleaning supplies, and we'll be wiping down all the surfaces that we touch. We will do all the touching for you, so that way you as the buyer don't have to feel bad about touching anything. We'll do all of that for you. So it's our specialty to be making sure that we can take care of all this together. We can still help you. Thank you so much for watching. I am Ethan Frelly from Beltran Properties Group at eXp Realty. Bye.